When you think about legal communications, this probably isn't the first thing that comes to mind. But Radar is a new type of law firm, and it's aiming to revolutionise the way we think about legal services.
I love the law, but we tend to push the law at people and not really listen. So 5 years ago, I resigned from the traditional legal profession, started working from my conservatory, and had a vision to build a business that educated, empowered, and showed people what they can do, not what they can't.
Radar uses all types of media, old and new, to get its educational messages across. There's open access classroom training, and also a host of digital channels.
We use podcasts, we use webinars, we will blog, we will vlog, we will create videos, we will use drama, we will use comedy. Whatever helps people learn and understand, we're prepared to do.
One aim of all this communication is to build clients' knowledge so they can handle more of the routine legal work themselves, leaving the lawyers free to focus on more complex and challenging tasks. But wherever possible, Radar's aim is also to avoid litigation.
Historically, when I've been dealing with clients, it's generally because things have already gone wrong, whereas with Radar we have what we call a proactive and a reactive side of the business. It's the proactive side that makes all of the difference, because what we're able to do is get into a problem before it becomes a legal issue. And so we have a team that's run and dedicated by some lawyers, but mostly industry experts, and they can pick up the phone to a client and problem solve ahead of this matter developing to a stage where the lawyers become involved, and nobody wants that.
The beauty of Radar is that we are a conventional law firm behind the scenes, but what a customer will get with Radar is the opportunity to use the digital platforms, which are groundbreaking in themselves, but also to be confident that there is the strong human interface behind that.
The clients love it. They love the ability to speak to someone in real time, get real life, real world advice from someone who's been there and done it and has the credibility to speak in a language that they understand.
One of these clients is Simon Mabb, Managing Director of Commercial Insurance Brokers, Romero.
The relationship we've had has been excellent. It's really developed very, very well. I've had help with international law issues, I've had help with HR, I've had help with contractual stuff, I've had help with criminal work. We've had some fantastic results so far. It's not just about, how many hours they can clock up on their fees. We found they've made a real difference to our business. Just an excellent bunch of people.
Radar are still exploring more new ways of communicating with their customers, including gamification, virtual reality and augmented reality. And then there's Radar Grace, a virtual legal assistant app developed in partnership with IBM Watson and Radar's in-house web development team. In just a few years, Radar has built itself a remarkably strong base. It now has a large workforce across England and Scotland and is still recruiting, opening new offices around the country.
Apple, Google, the technology companies of the world have taught us that there's a better way to communicate with people. We just feel it's time that the insurance, legal and the risk management industry is caught up with the rest of the world. We are looking at democratising the law. It shouldn't be so complex, it shouldn't be so difficult. We are constantly looking at what are people in business trying to do, what are people in charities trying to do, what are people in care trying to do. They don't want to do the wrong thing, they're just looking for people to help them at the right time, in the right way, with simple language and at a fair price, move forward. And that's what we're prepared to do.